Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. Some amazing people, we don't carry another one come again. Today we know the good comment section, but we'll paste comment more see. Today we dey go on Queen Stella's video more analyzer. Why we dey analyze this video today? Because of the way when she take talk for this video, it really sweet my belly. Like I can't the reason I say where this babe dey since when everything dey scatter for social media. Anyway, we thank God say she come out to speak for Korra. Okay, my amazing people. So let's go on the video audio. Let's analyze this audio. Please, my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please not fail to subscribe. Also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, I will receive the video. And please let me remind you that subscription is free. Please support your girl by subscribing. Okay people, let's go on the audio. More analyze this audio. The way when this babe they talk, una no Stella's now Queen Stella's woman, she know the fear to they go do vaga yansh. So my people, more go on the video, more na listen to how she takes speak, and we go and more na no faith una feel like say una get a comment on I won't drop, one and not fail to drop the comment. Even she self will want to see una comment. Okay, my amazing people, let's go on the audio. Let's analyze this audio, my people.
Educated person.
Wanna listen to the audio.
Grammar that just didn't understand.
Okay.
But I will try my possible best to speak. So that people who are close to him, who understand African English, might also help him to say this is what this woman here is trying to say. And again, I've never been married. I'm a single mother of 3. I have never been married, not even introduction. I was only engaged one time. So at least with my little experience from my elderly ones and with some people that are my friends that I have married. Thank you, Austin. Thank you, Baba Wese. So some of people, those that are married, that are friends to me, that are relatives to me, I see how they go, and I'm watching from them. I am learning, and I see how they did pass.
So my sister.
First of all, let me go on the grammar where Josie didn't speak, where if I bust everywhere, where everybody come they explain grammar. Go the one will go school.
With the one will not go school.
And I tell you now, so when I explain the grammar, you guys explain the grammar to my understanding of the grammar he wrote. Number one is narcissism.
We not go school.
Number one, you say your woman is a narcissism. And number two, you said when I see the writing, I don't know what it means, but I go to the next one. Number two, you said views and likes shouldn't be the number one thing in a relationship or marriage. Number three, you say your woman cheats. She's a shit. I don't know which kind of shit she will cheat, whether it's stone shit or a big shit. I don't know what kind of shit the woman is cheating in your house. Alright, let me now go straight into this. Victor Glory, good afternoon. My first time watching you. Wow, you are watching you. Wow, oh, baby. And you watch her giving birth. 4 days, just 4 days of her giving birth, you start complaining. You start complaining. You start bringing her stories. You start calling her names. Forgetting this woman in question just gave birth.
God bless you.
I don't want to know what happened. Whatever that made you bear it from 2019 to 2022 could have also make you bear it for this woman to keep nursing her baby.
Wanna listen, my people.
Yeah, before you kick your whatever you want to kick. I'm not a support of shit. I'm not even begging you now. Go back to your wife or not go back to your wife. It's your choice.
It's your choice, yeah.
It's your choice. It's what you want. It's what you don't. It's just, in fact, it's your choice. People say Korra juiced you. Oh no, it's not that. That is an opposite statement. Just the thing is the person who juiced Korra.
Correct.
He's not the one who juiced Korra to build on his fucking before you jump into it.
Conclude. Yeah, thank you.
Dancer. You met her a public figure before you met her.
God bless you.
You know, through this public figure, you can also build yourself up publicly. And she builds you up. She made people know you. Based on your husband, everybody who knows Korra knows you. She take you everywhere. She do everything she does with you. In the same house, under the same roof. Everything she does it with you. Whatever she do it with you. You use that to build yourself so that people will know you are a bone doctor. That you can sweat bone, you can bend bone, you can make bone to anything that you want to turn to any bone to. It is Korra who made them know you. Nobody know you.
100%.
The only way to tell her thank you is to tarnish her image. Is to tarnish her name. Is to bring her down to the people she introduced you to. She was cheating, she was narcissism, but whenever your dick stands up, you fuck.
Okay.
You don't think of it.
My people, I too like Stellas because this lady, she they always stand for the truth, nothing but the truth. She they always stand for the truth. Now make me like her, and now make me carry this video. Say, let's talk about this video for this channel because I like her. The way she take contribute on Korra issue and Dr. Justice. So the way she take contribute on this matter, I know say the matter don't almost the finish for grant. People go say Nana she can't come out. Maybe she dey busy since then. But waiting she come out can't talk really makes sense. My people, wanna watch this video, wanna listen well. It's just like everything where they talk since for this my channel. You know what woman? You know what woman? She dey cheat. She be cheat. From the beginning of the relationship, according to Justice, you say now the woman start to dey cheat. You not leave her from the beginning of the relationship. You stand with her. You were there for her. You stay, you no agree, say no. I cannot cope with a woman like this who is a cheater or whatever. Me, I not go school. So you not avoid her, you stay with her. From relationship, una marry, she have one child for you. You not leave her. You still there with her. She has another child again. The moment she just put to bed, bam, you can't say, okay, now I will leave this girl. Who are you? Who are you? You be good man like this, or you be evil person. You want her to frustrate, her enemy to frustrate. If Korra not be strong woman, maybe that woman for day hospital by now. With 2 children, you abandon her like that. The moment when you know, say, this woman need me right now. She need me. Abel, let's continue with Queen Stella's video.
Maybe twice in a week or 3 times in a week to play with your daughters. And people are saying you are doing well.
Doing well for what?
Korra is this. Some people are even using Korra as a prayer point. May God let their daughter have a daughter like Korra. Amen. Because Korra, may God not let your son have a daughter like Korra. Amen. Because she's too special. She is too special. I say amen to that because she's the rare type. She's the type that is not common. Okay. If it was some illiterate, some lousy woman Justin Dean is dealing with, she would be on Facebook ranting every day, saying all sorts of nonsense. What the one she knows, she would be shouting, crying, saying nothing, but she keep it to herself. Even as people push her, they throw her stones, they throw her door, they throw everything they could throw her. She still keep it all to herself because of her children. She still keep it all to herself. If it was some lousy people, person that can talk like me, I can talk to for Africa, I will come and beat your ass down. You can't just break me down and be feeling pity on social media. No, it's not done anywhere. You are heartless. Justin Dean, you are a heartless man. Anybody who addresses you as a doctor is a motherfucker.
Can a doctor maltreat Can a doctor treat his wife like the way Justice treats Korra? I wish say Korra and Korra now white like Justice. Will Justice treat her the way he's treating her right now? I wish Korra now white like her. He go dear her, he no go dear her. People really say, we'll continue with the video, my people. People say Korra use Justice. How you use her? How you use her? I wish not be Korra. Me, I no go know be Justice. Most people, not only me, many people will not know who is Justice. Now Korra, now make Justice. Justice use Korra to build his page. Justice use Korra to be popular. Now everybody know Justice. If Korra they come up for live video, Justice they enter. You use Korra. Look at the way you treat her like nobody. If I say now white like you, like your color, will you try it? Will you try that thing you did to this girl? Can you do that to your fellow whites? No. The answer is no. Most white people will come on the comment section, Korra comment section, now they cause Korra. I really enjoy her, watching her yesterday night, last night, when she they block all of una when they on her mat, no they close. Korra not do this, Korra not do this. Mona go help her. Una owe too much. I wish Korra now una sister. Wait Justice do Korra. Una will support Justice. I wish Korra is your younger sister or Korra is your elder sister. Una go happy for waiting Justice do Korra. Una go happy for waiting Justice do Korra. When be say the moment when Korra take knee down, woman when just put to bed, una no stress. Everybody they are aware of stress when Korra pass through that period. Everybody they are aware. Nobody go say no see stress when that girl pass through for labor. After many days, you just abandon her like that. You no give a fuck. Anyhow, if our enemy won't go, may go. You thank God say Korra. We thank God say Korra na strong woman. My people, we'll continue with the audio.
At this point, at this moment that you leave your wife is a deadly moment. It's a very bad time. It can lead her to anything.
Yeah.
It can shake her to be anything. Do you understand? You are very, very heartless just today.
Very wicked.
You want to be fair. Do not even do live video more than your wife.
God bless you. I think say no let me to see.
Do not even do live video more than your wife. You not come at more than 20 times a day. Dropping one, saying one. People are helping you promoting it. Whatever you say, they will promote it. Whatever you speak, they will promote it. Whatever you shoot, they will promote it. Whatever anything you do at all, they are promoting it for you, and you are happy. Don't forget, those statements you drop in public, your daughters are grown, they're going to grow up.
Yes, God bless you, Stellis.
They're going to grow up, and you will explain it again for them. Athena, you are carrying Athena up and down like you care. You don't care about that little baby.
If he care, he will not leave that woman. This moment, the woman need her.
Does not make you a good father. That even show how heartless more you can be.
Yeah.
You had a part-time father benefit, which you need a full-time at this moment.
Imagine. Part-time.
Addressing you as a daughter.
As a good man. Jesus.
You are not a daughter, Justin. You are not. If you are, maybe there are people you care about, you don't care about your family. She was broke down the other day. She was tired and weak. You went there to brought her flowers. You brought flowers, and people were
People, the worst thing, people no even care about Korra head. All what they care about is justice. Say Korra cheats. Justice no say Korra they cheat from the beginning of the relationship before justice accept Korra and allow Korra to have a child for him. First child, second child before you know say she they cheat, or she just start to they cheat yesterday. My people most still try to they stand for the truth. No matter what, say Korra no come on live video to come explain to una no say na woman when they responsible. No be woman when they talk. She not be talking type. She no want come fool herself. She know her level. Now make her. She keep quiet. Anybody can say whatever they like. She no care. Because Korra no come on live video, come they talk. We all believe say Korra be the bad person. That is bad. My people more continue with the audio.
Is our own head not important?
At all.
You will take your little baby by the left hand and hold the other one by the right hand.
Okay, God bless you,
She do everything by herself. Listen, we Africa, we care for our own. Go take a look at my beautiful queen in UK. How her husband and her mother-in-law are pampering her. Just today, if you don't know who they are calling Izzy Obedi, go to Facebook and search for Izzy Obedi.
Okay.
When you go to Facebook, search for Izzy Obedi. Your woman gave birth to her, your daughter few days before she gave birth to her own. They have just 1 week or few days before she gave birth to her own.
Few days, I think 3 days or 1 week.
They are see her as a newborn mama. Go and look at the way they are taking care of her as a newborn mama. That is how a mother who just gave the birth supposed to be treated. Not like this. No matter what she has done.
No matter what she has done.
For 7 months. Let her build herself up. Let her get hit on the pain of pushing. And for those of you asking Korra, what really happened? You want her to come and talk. You are also heartless. For those people pushing Korra, come. Do this, do that. You people are also wicked. Anybody fighting Korra at this moment is a wicked person. Is a wicked person. Do you know what it means? Baby did not come on time. Just you up here trying to do everything to make the baby come. The baby come, you left the house.
You abandon the woman.
It's a trauma for Korra.
You abandon her. I don't care.
The divorce you even mentioned is not even a point at all because divorce, marriage is
now 50-50, my sister. If you like, you stay, or if you like, you go. Now so you can never force you can never force any man to marry to stay with you when their mind is not there. The only problem when I get with justice is that why will you stay until now when you know say you no love Korra, or you love Korra, or Korra the cheats? Why will you stay? A man that really claim say he love this woman. This moment when Korra need you most, not be this moment you leave Korra. Not be this minute. The minute she needs you, you leave her. No, you never love her. You just want to use her to build your own self. And now what you do, you just want to use her to build yourself, and you don't finally use her to build yourself, and you abandon her. Tomorrow now you go their house. I am not care. I know say you know they hear my English. Now English when I sabi speak rich. Now be this one. You feel here still let's go. You go Korra.
Now them my interest. You couldn't wait for a few time to make her cry instead of making her happy. People are still wishing her congratulations. You make her shed tears instead of being smiling of receiving a compliment. You also want her to come out and talk.
Come and explain.
Start talking, and she start crying. Automatically she lose strength. Who will call ambulance for her?
They not care. They'll say now waiting she do.
So those 2 children she has with her?
Who will help her?
Who will rescue her? Who will be there for her? Even when she's saying who will be there to be petting her shoulder, say, my sister, take it easy.
Shoulder.
But you all just want her to talk.
Yeah.
What is she want to talk? Same man say not to do again. Say the man say it's a shit. If Justin D can live with a shit for 2018, 2019, 2021 to 2022, he also is a shit.
Okay.
Because he take 2 dirty things to live together. If you say Korra is a narcissist and you live with Korra for 5 years, he's a narcissist. That's why they were mashed. They will even stay for this longer time because I don't like what I hate. However Justin D address Korra is whatever you call Korra, Justin D is what you are.
God bless you.
Because it is your wife, your partner in crime, your partner in everything you do. Yes, she's your wife. However you think she is, that is what you are.
What you are.
But it paid me say you leave her at this point when she needed you most.
God bless you.
I am not begging you to go back. It's your choice. Even Korra, I am not begging you, my darling, to marry your wife or your husband. Yeah. Or to go back to your husband, not to go back to your husband. It's your choice. Once again, but what the wife wrong by dressing naked, married woman dress naked, easier by the
Now, no say, Nana, they no say Korra they dress naked.
What is she? She's a dancer. That is how Justin meet her.
Thank you.
There are people you can change. Determination is a thing of mind. Yes, that's who she is. It is high time we African people start accepting people the way they are.
The way they are. God bless you.
That is who she is. That is Korra, and that is who Korra is. You cannot change it. That is how Justin did met her. And
my people, now most people, most of una people, most una no say Korra they dress naked. Why una no come out? Let them come, okay? We go and get chase. Why una no come out since to speak? Say Korra they dress naked. Why you they dress naked? Dress half naked. Why now when she need una love? Because Justice say no want am again. This my boy can talk. Now una come they carry una mat say. Now una know say Korra she dey dress naked. She be this, she be that. Come on. Not be when one person they hot person. Una 100 people won't come chook mat put so that the person go jump by. That is so bad of us. That one they very bad. More let her to love ourselves. More na reason and say if now Igbo Justice marry. If now Igbo Justice marry, if Justice will treat the Igbo white woman the way he is treating Korra right now, my people more na think twice. More na let her to support una person. More we not they say our person go outside. More let her to embrace our team. More let her to say this our team they very special to us. Not be when people need una most. Now una go run leave her. After you run leave that person, they say you care. You never care about her. Now wait till I get to tell Justice Dean or whatever. You never care about her. And evil daughter will never behave the way you behave. And you call yourself a daughter. Daughter will never behave like this. Daughter, it's not good. So my amazing people, what you not think about this video? Please don't fail to drop your comments. Tell us what you not think about this video. And what you not think about Queen Stella's words. What you not think about her video also. The audio we play on the background. I be the audio we play on the background. Yes, I'm right. Mona not fail to tell us, drop una comment, and also like this video if una like the video. If una like what una dey see, Mona not fail to give this video like this. God bless you, my amazing people. And please, if you know you never subscribe to this channel, not fail to subscribe. Also on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video, now receive the video. My people, subscription is free. Stay blessed and see you on my next video. Bye.